Traditional financial advisors? They can cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. But what if I told you that there are apps out there that can replace those expensive advisors and give you similar or even better results without the price tag? Stick around because I'm going to show you how the right apps can help you make smarter financial decisions and keep your money in your pocket. So why should you care? Well, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which apps can guide you to a more secure financial future without relying on an old-school advisor. And here's the kicker. Unlike other videos out there, I'm not incentivized by any affiliate commissions. You're getting straight-up advice based on what I've personally researched, so you can trust I'm recommending what actually works. Let's start with Betterment. If you're looking for an easy-to-use app that offers automated investing, this is your go-to. Betterment helps you create a diversified portfolio based on your financial goals, and it does all the heavy lifting for you, rebalancing and tax loss harvesting included. I've personally used this app to test its performance, and the results were pretty impressive. What's key here is that Betterment's fees are a fraction of what you'd pay a traditional advisor. If you're new to investing, this app walks you through each step, giving you the confidence you need to manage your own finances. Next, let's talk about Wealthfront. If you're a bit more serious about your investments but still want an automated process, Wealthfront is a game changer. It uses advanced technology to build a personalized financial plan based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. One thing I really like about Wealthfront is its financial planning features, things like retirement forecasting and saving for big goals like buying a home. Plus, Wealthfront's fees are super low compared to what traditional financial advisors charge for this kind of service. Now, if you're someone who's actively involved in managing your own investments, you might want to look into Personal Capital. This app goes beyond simple investing. It's a full financial dashboard. Personal Capital links up with your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts, giving you a full view of your finances in one place. It's like having a financial advisor who helps you track your spending, budget, and save for the future. And don't get me started on its retirement planner. It's easily one of the best in the market. You can get a clear, visual breakdown of whether you're on track to meet your retirement goals. But what if you're looking for an app that helps you with real-time financial advice? Enter Ellevest. Geared toward women investors, Ellevest focuses on creating portfolios that account for gender-specific financial goals, like longer life expectancy and pay gaps. What sets Ellevest apart is that it combines robo-advising with personalized advice, meaning you get both automation and the option to speak to a financial planner if you want more tailored guidance. It's a great option if you want to blend DIY investing with the expertise of a professional advisor. And finally, Acorns. This one's a little different. If you're just starting out or looking for something that requires minimal effort, Acorns rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests that spare change. It's simple, automatic, and easy to use. Perfect for people who don't want to think about investing every day, but still want to build wealth over time. I've used Acorns for years, and while it's not the highest return in the game, it's definitely one of the easiest ways to get started with investing. Now, I know what you're thinking. These apps sound great, but can they really replace a traditional financial advisor? Here's the truth. If you're looking for something simple, low-cost, and automatic, these apps absolutely can replace financial advisors. But if your financial situation is more complex, like dealing with taxes, estate planning, or large investments, you might still need a human advisor. The key takeaway here is that these apps are great for the vast majority of people, especially if you're looking to save money and take control of your financial future. So, if you found value in this video and want more no-nonsense content that doesn't have hidden affiliate incentives, make sure to subscribe. I'm here to help you navigate the world of personal finance without all the fluff. Thanks for watching.